Now let's solve this problem. cotA minus tanA is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1 divided by sin A into cos A. In this problem, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So, first let me write down the LHS. Solution. First let me write down the LHS. We know that the LHS is cotA minus tan A. cotA minus tan A. Okay. Now, cotA, I can write it as cos A by sin A. We know that it is the trigonometric ratio. cotA is equal to cos A divided by sin A. Okay. Minus tan A. I can write it as sin A by cos A. Sin A divided by cos A. Now, let's take the LCM. What is the LCM? Sin A into cos A is the LCM. Sin A into cos A. It is the LCM. Now look at this. In the denominator we have sin A. But our LCM is sin A into cos A. Therefore, this one we will multiply it by cos A. Cos A into cos A. Okay. Minus. Now look at this. Cos A, it is in the denominator. But our LCM is sin A into cos A. Therefore, we will multiply it by sin A. Then it will become sin A into sin A. Okay. Sin A into sin A. Cos A into cos A is what? Cos square A minus sin A into sin A is sin square A whole divided by sin A into cos A. Sin A into cos A. Now, let me write this cos square A as it is. Cos square A, let me write as it is, minus sin, let me write as it is. This sin square A, we know the formula. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, right? Then sin square A is equal to 1. This plus cos square A, when it will cross this is equal to sin, it will become minus cos square A. Okay. Therefore, this sin square A, I can write it as 1 minus cos square A. Okay. Take it in the bracket because here you have minus sign. So, you have to take this in the bracket. Otherwise, you will get confused. Okay. 1 minus cos square A whole divided by sin A into cos A. Okay. Sin A into cos A is equal to cos square A now say minus into plus is minus 1. Minus into minus is plus cos square A. Okay. Now look at this. Whole divided by sin A into cos A. Sin A into cos A plus cos square A plus cos square A. It will become 2 cos square A. This one and this one. When we will add these two, it will become 2 cos square A minus 1 divided by sin A into cos A. That is what our RHS, right? We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.